Hi, and welcome to Animals Without Backbones, Part 1. So all animals can be sorted into two main groups. The first group is what we call vertebrates, and all vertebrates have a backbone. And invertebrates do not have a backbone. So that's the difference between the two words. Vertebrates have backbones, and invertebrates do not have backbones. So jellyfish and anemones, they live in the sea. They have a very simple body with tentacles. Some have sting cells. So jellyfish and sea anemones do not have backbones, as we know. Flatworms and tapeworms, they have a long, flat body. Some live in fresh water. Some are parasites that live inside other animals, again, without backbones. Segmented worms, so you've got earthworms, you've got leeches. They live in mostly water or soil, and both, and without backbones. And mollusks, they often have shells, so such as snails and squids. And then we've got starfish and sea urchins. So we've got starfish, sea urchins. They all live in the sea. They have a thick skin, which is sometimes covered in spines, but again, with backbones.